I am with my mama and we are going to go shopping for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that is going to be coming up. And we thought we'd take you along. So let's go. That would be really cute. Oh, wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
And this one. Look at that one. Okay. There's this and this one. I think we're gonna have to do both, huh?
Those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like those. Let's see what else.
Nutcracker.
Oh, Mama found a nutcracker. Oh, that's a different one than what I have. I need that.
I can't get it out.
Okay, here's the nutcracker that we were trying to get out. It's Screaming Purse. But those two are too. We're gonna get those.
I heard Andy wrong on the phone. I thought he told me they were coming here for Christmas.
Oh.
I got
That one's cute. I'm not supposed to be shopping for fabric.
Uh-oh.
I know. Oh, wow.
So what is 50% off?
I have no idea.
Price at?
I don't know. One's $10.99. The others are a different price. Is this? Oh, crud. Okay, I need this in my life. Well, not really. Nadia needs this in her life. Okay, here's some more. These are like really tough to get out. Look at that print. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh, here's another nutcracker. Oh. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna have to get that too.
Huh? Oh, another one.
Another nutcracker.
It's different.
Different than I've had for any of the others. But look at how beautiful that one is. Oh, that's gorgeous. I think I got too much. Oh, look. We need this. Oh, sorry. Here, let me show y'all.
You stay in there. I know you want to come, but you can't.
Okay, we're totally going to use this. We need that too. I think we need to be done. I think I need to be done with fabric. Okay, now we're off to beads. Ooh, look at this combo. Oh, you know, I have, oh, and this. Okay, we need this in our lives. Oh, those are cute butterflies. Yeah, those would be fun for journals. That would be fun. I mean, oh, look at those piggies. Let's see. Oh, look, these are different butterflies. Oh, let's see. Oh, those are pretty. I think I have those at home.
Okay.
These butterflies are gorgeous. These are the ones Mom found. I love those. The ones I found at the other place were in these locations that were smaller, but whoo, that was dizzy. Getting up too fast, not
Oh,
cool.
you don't want these?
No, I think I have those.
Oh, I like some good news.
But look at that. These would be fun for bracelets. Look at the fun paper. No, I'm not buying any of this paper. But here's some other. They're not. So, I don't know. We'll see if that one is. Should we do paper dolls? Or little bitties?
Little bitty.
I love these little bitties.
I was looking at this one. That's cool.
Oh, look at this one. I don't know. I have some of these and I love them. I use them a lot. Oh, this is fun. Look at that one. To make some clusters. Okay, we need that one in our lives, Mama.
I need this in my life.
No, I need it. I think we're gonna, I don't know. I can't decide, so I think we're just gonna look and decide. Oh, look, those are cute. Okay, I don't want to get you guys dizzy, so there we go. This is really fun. I love these things. You can't go wrong with his words and stuff. Let's see. I don't see any of these that scream out. Ah. Oh, these are huge. Wow. There's 280 pieces. Interesting. All right, here is the goodies we bought. And yes, I wound up getting a heck of a lot more fabric. I mean, how can you pass up Haunted Mansion fabric? I mean, come on. I got like 3 yards of that. Let's see. Oh. I got this, and when cutting, I realized I probably already have this at home, and along with this. So I'm going to cut strips for the giveaway out of those two. That is a Christmas gift. And then this was screaming, I need a purse. And we are going to do a fun video with these and cut this apart and stuff. And then I have the 2 nutcrackers. I'm going to make a purse out of this one for my friend. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Huh. All right. So, I got me some dots, and this is for we can play with magnets. So fun. I love adding magnets to stuff. So, when I went to get this and check out, it was the full price. But then she gave it to me at the 40% off. So, I was pretty excited. Okay, so we have this. We got these. I'm not sure which one I'm going to give as a giveaway or if I'm going to take both and, do 2 or what. I don't know. But then I have all these beads. Some are going to be turned into dangles. Some are going to be bracelets. So, I'm loving this. There's this one. These adorable butterflies that my mom found. I love those. Here are these. Lots of different pinks. I like these butterflies. Look how beautiful those are. I am in love. They're screaming a dangle for everything. And then look at these. These are multi-different colors, which I thought were really fun. So yeah, that is all of the stuff we got shopping. I was going to try to go to others, but my mom and I got tired out after one store. So hopefully you enjoyed this little fun shopping trip and haul that we got. And stay tuned for what we wind up putting in the other giveaway bundle besides this beautiful thick chunker of a journal. Man, I'm gonna have to do a walkthrough of that one soon. So thanks for joining me. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and please think of subscribing. You guys are awesome. Bye.